So part 2 of our first chapter of P1. So they gave a certain sum somewhere. I will do all this with you guys. Okay. I will do all of them. Okay. This is for recording purposes. Previous ones I skipped many sums because when you are in A level, you are expected to know those sums. Okay. Teacher cannot spoon feed, all the time. What are you doing over here? You didn't even say me anything. ঠিক করে এটা চেন নাও বসো তোমার সাথে এটা করার আগে কিছু কথা থাকবে বসো okay, so I'll start doing this. Let me know if you understand. Let's do the A part. Can I take 3 common? Look here, in both of this, what is the common between both of them? 3 x plus 3. That's it. This is your A part. Easy. Okay, let's go to the B part now. B part says x square minus 5x. Well, let us. What did they say? What is the word they use? Factorize. Factorize actually means commoning something out, basically. You're finding common. What is the common between both these terms over here? X is common. So can I write x minus 5? And that is my answer. Online, understanding? Everyone, understanding? A, B? What's up? Make it 10 now. What's up? Huh? Let him say that. Let him say. Now let's go to the C part. Again, C part. You see, x is common over here, na? Okay, let x be common. Out of 8 and 20, can I take 4 common? From 8 and 20, 4 is common. So can I do 4 2s are 8, and there is an extra x because already one x is outside. Huh? Okay. If you take 2, then inside there will be more common. You're not factorizing completely then. If you take 4, you're completely factorizing. There is nothing common out between them now. 4 5s are 50. See, whenever you factorize, reopen the bracket again and see whether you get this back or not. That is one way to check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, 4 2s are 8, x into x, x square. Okay, 4 into 5 is 20 multiplied by x. Halas? So remember, in factorize, when you reopen the bracket, you should get your questions back. Okay, C part is done. Now let's go to the D part. Now D part, can you see y 1 is common and x also only 1x common? Here, most probably in out of these two, 3 is common between them. So 3 is common. 3 3s are 9. Oh, no. I made a mistake. 3x and y is common. Therefore, only 1x is left. You see? And 3 is left. Because 3 3s are 9. X into x is x square. Y. Anybody has anything to tell me? Who is talking? Online? Do ask if you have doubts. Again, look, there is 15 here, na? 3 5s are 15. Okay, only 1x. I'm not giving that x over there. Y squared, so only y is left. You see, again, open the bracket and check. Again, open the bracket and check. 3 3s are 9. X into x, x square, y multiplied by y. Matches. Then 3 5s are 15. X, let it be x. Y multiplied by y is y square. Okay, who else joined right now? Kangita, Mir, Naira, Sadia, Tanvi. Faham. Faham is taking math as well. Yeah. Faham, did you vote in this thing? Because I'm getting confused who's taking what. Okay. Faham, did you vote? Because I did not see your name over there. Class 10. Let me pause the recording. Because that's how I will differentiate who is taking which subjects. Resume recording. Sorry for the interruption. Let's start with this one. Did we do this though? D part? No, we are doing E part now. In E part, you can see 3 is common. X, one of the x. Remember, guys, so bhaiya, if a letter has power, like see, this power is 1 and this power is x square. Always take the minimum one. So always take here. You have competition between x square and x. So x is gonna win. So 3x. Now, is there a y? Is there a y common? No, there is no y common. Okay. Bring a x over here because x is missing. Minus 3 3s are 9. Y. Online, all A, B, C, D, E. Clear? Everyone?
Yeah.
Everyone. I'm asking everyone. Faham, Naira, Mir, Payal, Tanvi, Iftisham. Clear? Kankita? Second class. Second class. We are in the basics. We are doing O-level stuff still now. Okay. Now let me teach you guys right now. Okay, guys, let's just look at the book. We are in example number 6. If you guys get used to the pattern of the book, it's very easy to go to the doubts and all. Further, you need to know the textbook. For me, I've been teaching this book right now for 3 years now, so I'm very used to this book. Okay, that's why you need to open your book. No need to keep it brand new. When you use the book, you understand that it has been used or it has not been used. Okay. This book did not exist 3 years back. 2019. This is new syllabus, but I don't know why Edexcel does that. They do not change anything. They just change one chapter from here and there, and they completely print a new book. What was the harm in the old book? Old book is actually better than this. Yeah, exactly. I don't know why do they do that. It has all the information which old book had. So why did you have to change the whole name, syllabus? At the end of the day, students are getting the same knowledge. These books which you buy, these are duplicate books. Our Bangladesh School Muscat, I think it is going in the recording over here. Our Bangladesh School Muscat prints the duplicate one and sells it to the kids. Original one's 11 real, 15 real, like that. Okay. Yeah, 600 taka. 600 taka, 700 taka, very cheap. Now, this is one of the condition that you guys are supposed to know. Okay, this I have taught this in O level also many times. I taught you like this. If you have a square minus b square can be written in the form of a minus b, a plus b. You guys know this? There was another thing also I taught you, that if somebody gives you a square plus b square, please do not write a plus b, a plus a minus b like that. No, there is nothing. A square plus b square is a square. If there is a plus sign, you cannot do anything. But if there is a minus sign between two squares, you can write it like this. Do you want to prove why it is like that? Let me show you the proof. By why are they equal to each other? Let me show you. So if I do a minus b and a plus b, and if I open it with false method, last time we were doing false method. A multiplied by a is a square. A multiplied b is plus ab minus ba minus ba, then minus b square. Understood this? Minus ba, minus ba plus ba get cancelled. What are you left with? A square minus b square. Therefore, we write this or we write this. Online, everyone understood? Did Omar join? Omar is nowhere to be seen. God, he's also a math student. Okay, do you understand this? Online, everyone understood? Payal and everyone? Mir, Faham, Iftisham, Tanvi, Sadia?
Yeah.
But why is this not working? Huh? Why is this not working? Yep. Okay. Do you need time to do this? Okay, you have finished it. Fine. Let's go to our product and sum rule concept, which we'll be doing. Each of this sum I'll be doing with you over here, then I will give you to practice. Again, these are basics of O level. Okay, so let's start. We are in, I think, which example was this, by the way? We are in example number 7. Now, this is something we will do with product and sum rule. Okay, now, everybody here knows about product and sum rule, yeah? Omar, it's on the recording. Let me pause it. Start the recording. So we will be doing this whole sum with a method known as product and sum rule. Okay. Those who are watching me online, not this class people, in future, if anybody is watching me online, if you really want to learn regarding product and sum rule, okay, you can go to my O level videos. Go to O level videos. O level videos. You're going to find product and sum rule. This thing, maths over there, a folder. You can watch regarding product and sum. There, I have done a lot of sums regarding product and sum rule over there from very, very basics, breaking down each sums over there. And that's the reason I sent that link in the group the other day. Okay. So I'll pause the record. No, I will start this thing now. Okay. Here I'll not be teaching in detail. If anybody has issue, yes, you guys can ask me, then maybe I will teach in detail. But here it is. This is how it is done. First of all, I always told you, you have to look at what is there in front of 1x square. What is there in front of x square? That is 1, right? Okay. Rule number 1. Multiply -6 with this one. What your answer is going to be? -6. Then you need to divide this 6 in such a way that if you sum it, okay, your answer should be -5. And if you product it, your answer should be -6. Okay, -5, -6. Okay, now let's start with that then. Let's start with 6 into -1. Now 6 minus 1. Okay, so if I do 6 minus 1, answer is gonna be what? 5. But what am I looking for? -5. So it's wrong. This won't happen. So this won't happen because with product it matches, but with sum it is not matching. Okay, what other option do I have? Okay, try -1 into 6. Sorry, -6 into 1. I'm taking all the options. You have to be very good at table for that. So by why are you being so dumb over here? You can do 3 to the 6 also. Yes, let me show you all the options which is not working out and show you why is it not working out. Then I will show you the ones which is working out for us. Okay, -6 plus 1. So if I do -6 plus 1, my answer will be -5. And also, if I do product, -6 into +1, answer will be what? -6 as well. You see, product -6 matches. Sum -5 matches. This is the one I'm gonna take. What? -6 plus 1. So you could have done 3 to the 6 also, right? Well, if I do -3 into 2, my answer will be -6. But -3 plus 2 is what? -1. Am I looking for -1 or -5? -5. So therefore, this also will not work out. And also, this will also not work out for us. So everything is not working out. Only this is the only one that is matching my sum and product concept. Online, everyone got this? As well, new one, cause I'll give physics exam first in Jan. Maths, I'll do new batch. This is fine. Yeah, up to you. Though I have already completed the material chapter recently. So you need to study that and come. Materials chapter, you missed that. Full chapter you missed. Oh, including fluids also. You missed a lot. Anyway, so let's start. What is this going to be? X square. Okay. Instead of -5, can I write -6x plus x? Because I just showed you -6x plus x is what? -5. So instead of minus, if somebody instead of giving instead of taking -5 real from you, basically he will take 6 real, then he will give you 1 real back. Same only, no? Okay, so same thing over here. Instead of writing -5, I'm writing -6x plus x -6. Take common out between this two. Take common out between this two. So if you take x common, it's going to be x minus 6 and plus 1 because there is nothing common between them. So let 1 be the common. Again, x minus 6. So your answer is x plus 1, x minus. This is your factorization. Do not give equal to 0 here because they did not give us in the question. Okay, do not give equal to 0 because they did not give us. Anyway, this is my answer for A part. I would expect B part from all of you right now. Please do B part and show me. Send me a picture. Everyone who is present over there. All 10 students of mine. I'll pause the recording. Now C part looks complicated. This is the reason I told you to watch O-level video and come from me. Those who are watching it right now, those who are online will be watching me in future. Please do watch it in the O-level folder. It is there. if you guys don't know where is, anyway, if you have this link, you might have other link. Even if you just give me a WhatsApp in 942999220. Okay, I give out O levels and A levels tuitions. Marketing inside the video. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's start. 6. Okay, see, what did I tell you guys regarding this? 6 into minus 10 is what? Minus 60. Now, I have to divide this minus 60 in such a manner that I should get 11. So what do I have? 32 is a 60. This is there. 30 into minus 2 I have. Or minus 30 into 2. What else do I have? What else do I have? 15. 15 4s are 60. Correct? Yes, 15 4s are 60. These are the reason I told you guys you need to be good at tables. Minus 15. Now I need minus 11 here. Look, guys, I need minus 11. So the one which is greater, the number which is greater has to be minus. So if I do sum and product, okay, in sum, minus 15 plus 4 is giving me what? Minus 11. This is what I was looking for because I need minus 11. And in product, I'm looking for minus 15 into 4. That is going to be minus 60. So product take, sum take. So can I write 6x squared minus 15x plus 4x minus 10. Again, this 2 common. This 2 common. What is common here? 3. And what else? X. So can I write 3 2s are 6, x squared. If I multiply this, 3 5s are 15. This is the 2x minus 5. Here what is common? 2. Again, what I'm getting? X minus 5. 2x minus 5. Sorry. One of the check for these kind of sum is that these two are supposed to be same. So it's going to be 3x plus 2 to x minus 5. Now, online, I would like to ask everyone online and off here. Everyone understood that? Did you understand this? Online, everyone understood this?
Yeah.
I'll pause it. I'll pause the recording and repeat. Both so, right? Okay, fine. So you guys do this. I'll pause the recording. So all of you could do C part as well. No, sorry, B part. We did B part by the way. I told you guys to do B part, and most of you were able to send me B part. And we did C part just now, which is over here, 6x squared minus 11x minus 10. Now let's do the D part and E part. D part is what? X squared minus 25. X squared minus 25. So D part is x squared minus what? 25. Okay, so if I do this, remember here, when you see this, always remember this, a square minus b square, which recently I taught you, a minus b, a plus b. Okay, so what is x square? Okay, here, x square. Achha, 25, can I write it as 5 square? Now, does this look like this? So this one, can I write x minus 5, x plus 5? Online, everyone got this? Faham? Faham? Understood? Eftisham, Kankita, Mir, Sadia, Payal, Omar. Understood this?
Yeah.
It's in the exam. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Those who did not understand, you can specifically message me, guys. Not an issue. Okay, now, here it is. 4x squared minus 9y squared. Okay, E parts. 4x squared minus 9, what was it, y squared? Yeah, E part. Look, how do you do this? Again, there are squares over here. Instead of this 4, can you write 2 square, x square? Instead of 9, can you write 3 square, y square? You know what? Does not look good to me. So I would just rub it and write a whole square here. I'll rub it and I will write what? Whole square here. So I'm left with 4x square minus 9y square. Oh, sorry. Why did I open it? I got back to the whole thing again. No. This looks like a minus b, a plus b. So 2x minus 3y, 2x plus 3y. Clear, everyone? You understood the whole thing? Now, I will give you guys to practice some sums on your own. I'm pretty sure there are practice sums after this. Oh no, I have got example 8 also. Okay, you know what? I will be doing example 8 also then. Let's do example 8. Example 7 is over. Let's do example 8 now. Control A, delete. Let me go newly again. You guys start writing, by the way. You guys can start writing while I'm doing the sum, and also in the same time, do listen to me. A part, okay? They wrote x cube minus 2x square. So if I take x square common, look, can you see? I told you, no, the less, the one with the power less. Okay, we can take that as common. X square is common. What is left? X minus 2. Can I go any further than this? No. So therefore, let it be like that only. A part. Let's do B part now. So what is it? Again, can I say x is common between this and this? If x is common, it's x square minus 25. It's x square minus 25. So if I take x square minus 25, can I do x minus 5 square and x square? Can I do it this or no? Tell me. Because this was x square already, 25. 25 can be written as 5 square. Therefore, can I write x as it is? X minus 5, x plus 5. Because I just taught you a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. Online, everyone, example 8, B part. Clear properly? Clear, right? Clear? Do it. I'll pause the recording. And in the meantime, try doing C part and send it to me, please. Let me check how much you guys know regarding C part, okay? Pause recording it, okay? C part. Let's do C part over here. Let's do C part. X cubed plus 3x square minus 10x. Okay? Can I take x common over here? And can I write x square? You see, if x is common, one x is gone here, one x is gone from here as well. So it's going to be 3x. When x is gone from here, that's going to be minus 10. Does this look like a quadratic equation? And we can factorize this. How we would factorize this? X. And by the way, what did they say that in the question? Factorize. Completely. Factorize it as long as you cannot factorize anymore else. So what is it? Can I write x square? Now 3x and minus 10. If I divide minus 10 into 2 part, it's going to be 5 into 2. You see your x is positive here. So let this be the minus. Okay, because 5 minus 2 is plus 3. So x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10. X. If you take x common, it's going to be x plus 5. Again, if you take x common, sorry. Should we give an x sign over here? What did I do? Yeah, there is going to be a 2 over here. There is going to be a minus 2 again. X plus 5. You see, why did I give minus 2 here? So that inside one is plus 5. They both are supposed to be same for you to, it's a check that my answer is going correct. So answer is going to be x open bracket, x minus 2, x plus 5. It can be written like this, and that is your complete factorization. I hope online everyone understood this. Now we will come to some practice. I'll be giving you some practice sum. Okay, I will do some practice here itself. 4 sums of practice here. I'll pause the recording. So guys, I was doing some practices from this, which I did not record. Okay, from 1C, I did these 4 sums as practice. And from 2, I gave these sums as practice. Most of you guys were able to do all the sums except for P and X. I see you guys are facing difficulty over there. So let's start with P then. Let us do that separately, since that is a doubt over here. P, okay? Okay, paste. So let's do that. If I do this, okay, notice this looks like a quadratic equation, because usually our quadratic equation has a square, has a this thing, and has a some sort of number, right? It looks like this: ax square plus bx plus c. It looks like this. This one also looks like a quadratic equation, but it doesn't look out by familiar. We're not familiar with this. We can do one thing over here. Okay, what we can do is, I can write let y be the x square. That means instead of writing x square, I'll be writing y over there. By a y, I'll show you. Check. Let me write 14y plus 24. And here, instead of 2x raised to 4, can I write it as 2y square? Because if y is x square, x raised to 4 is y, na? Y square, right? Understand? Online? Everyone? So I converted this to a quadratic equation. Does it look like a proper quadratic equation now? Yes, now it does. Now, 24 multiplied by 2, what is it? 48. What can I divide the 48 into two parts? What will it be? 12 into 4 is 48? Yeah. 12 into 4? Yes. Or what else can be this thing? 48, this thing, 48. Yeah. 6 8s are? And 6 and 8 is what? 14. Can we do 6 8s are? And everything is positive here, no negative sign. So it will not be as complicated as it is. Okay, 6 8s are. Now, can I write 2y square plus 6y plus 8y plus 20? Why cannot let us over because later on. I'll do that later on. For the timing, let me y only. I made x to y over here. Okay. Now, if I take 2y common, it becomes y plus 3. Yes. If I take 8 common, again it's going to be what? Y plus 3. So what is your final answer going to be? 2y plus 8 and y plus 3. But this is not your final answer. My question was in terms of x. So my answer has to be also in terms of x. What was y, by the way? X square, na? So in place of this y, can I write 2x square plus 8 and x square plus online? Payal and everyone, those who ask me this doubt. Is this understood? Can I repeat? Payal is saying, can I repeat? Payal, which part you did not get? Did you get the part where I converted x square to y over here so that it looks like a proper quadratic equation? Do you understand that,
No,
Payal?
no. Only that part I didn't understand. Like y
Okay,
equals to x.
okay, let me do that again. Look, see, you in quadratic equation, you are used to having x square over here, some sort of square over here, and this should be a just a this thing, a letter. It's just like this. You are used to this. Okay. You know, in our school, the substitute teacher used to come if one teacher was absent. Okay, maths
Yeah.
teacher, another math teacher would come in her or his place. Same thing here. In place of x square, I'm substituting it with y. That means whether I write x square or whether I write y, it means the same thing. Y equals to x square. Understood? Why am I doing it? So see, in place of x square, I wrote y. Okay. If you square your x square, it becomes x raised to 4. Your x4 raised to 4 becomes y square, right? Look over here. So in place of x raised to, no, this is, you should learn because it's going to come handy later on. In place of x raised to 4, I wrote y square. So remember, y is x square and y square is x raised to 4. Do you understand this? Tell me now.
Yes.
Okay. So now, just focus in this particular sum over here. Does this look like the previous quadratic equation which you are used to seeing?
Yeah.
Exactly. There you go. Now continue doing it then.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. But at the end, convert the y to, what was y initially? X square only, na? So in place of y, I'm going to write x. That's it. I'll pause the recording. Okay. Everybody do this sum. Start the recording. Sorry. So I'm doing this x from exercise 1C, question number 2, x part. First minus 9 multiplied by, what they said us to do, they said us to factorize this thing. So I'm factorizing it. Minus 9 multiplied by 15. How much is it? Minus 135. The problem is I need to convert this minus 135 to 42 in sum. Now, that is where it's a big number. If it's a small number, 2 digit, I can do it mentally, mental math. But sometimes it might not be possible. So this is what you do. In such cases, when you have a big number and you need to do factorization, guys, focus. What you need to do? You need to do LCM of this. Okay, 5. What is 135 divided by 5? What? 27. And this is 9. 3 nines are. Okay? Okay, you know what? Let's do it. Let's do it with 3 only. No, I need to divide the everything. This is 3 nines are. This is 3 threes are. 3 ones are. Okay? You need to do it in such a way that when you multiply this, 3 fives are 15. What is 15 threes are? 45. See, 45 we got. So that means 45 multiplied by 3 is 135. Yes or no? 45 multiplied by 3 is 135. And here your 42 is positive. Notice that means your 45 also has to be what? Positive. And your 3 has to be a negative. So minus 1. Can I now write it 15x squared plus 45x minus 3x minus 9. Okay? Make this 2 common, make this 2 common. What is common between them? 15 only, if I'm not wrong. Is it 15 or 3 is common between them? 3 is 3. Huh? 15 is common. If 15 is common, x is also common. Yes? X plus 3. X plus 3. Again, minus 3 down. X plus 3. 6 o'clock at 5 minutes आगे समझने 5-10 मिनट आगे 5-10 मिनट आगे আসলে সমস্যা নেই Okay, so now this is going to be 15x minus 3. This is going to be x plus 3. Now Kankita, তোমার doubt ছিল. Do you understand this? Huh? Oh, you can get it in some other way also. See, now tell me, I know mine is correct. You know why? Your one is also correct. Your one is also correct. You know why? I know why mine is correct. You know what? Because I got plus 3, x plus 3, and x plus 4. 5x minus 1, 5x minus 1. Yeah, this is also correct. That is it. Fine. Not a big deal. Kankita, do you understand this?
Yes,
And Naira and everyone online, everyone understood this concept? I hope you did. I'm moving on to the next concept now. You know what? I will not do anything new now. I will start giving you guys homework now. Okay, then I'll stop. Pause.